Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to SIMnet assignment. And today assignment name is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 independent project 3 to 4. We are just going to highlight that one, so it must be visible. Okay, so independent project 3 to 4. For this project, you create a column chart to graph profit margin for classical gardens and landscapes. You also create a line chart to illustrate a break-even point in a unit for new catalog items. So student learning SL outcome SLOs that we will cover in today's project are 3.1 to 3.6. File needed. This file we have to need, or we call that solution file that we have already opened. Okay, after completing our project, then our file name must be this one. That first name is rn, then file name. Now we are just moving toward the skill that we will cover in today project. Skill cover in today project. So create a chart object, size and position a chart object, edit and format the chart elements, edit the source data for chart, build a line chart, edit axis label and position the legend, then add format grid lines in chart. So all these skill will be covered in today project. Okay, now we are moving toward our solution instruction file. So before going to solve our assignment step by step, first we move toward whole assignment. Okay, first we will move toward whole assignment and get idea how many points we have in today instruction. So there are question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, we have 16 question in graded report, then 17, 18 and 19 are non-graded one. So we have just 16 question in graded report. So let me start today assignment. So we will discuss this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get A grade 100% marks. So steps to complete this project. Then mark these steps as checked when you complete them. Okay. In first question, we have to open this start file, or we call solution file. If workbook open in protected view, then click enable button so you can modify it. The file will rename automatically, include your name. Okay. So first we have to open that one. Then if it is in protected form, then we have to click on enable button so we can modify that one. Then in next part, the file will rename automatically to include our name. Yes, you may see our name is there. So question number 1 is done. So after solving question number 1, now we are moving toward question number 2. So remember that in question number 1 we just open our start file, or we call solution file. Then our file is in protected view. That's why we have to click enable editing button. Then file will renamed automatically to include our name. So question number 1 is done. After solving question number 1, now we are moving toward question number 2. So in question number 2, what we have to do, use quick analysis tool to create cluster column chart object for cell A4 to G9. Okay. So we have to first select these cells, copy that cells, then come on solution file, and here we have to paste them, then simply press enter. Okay, our range have been selected. Now what we have to do, we have to create cluster column chart using quick analysis tool. So there is quick analysis tool, chart. Now we have to select cluster column chart, this one. Okay, so question number 2 is done. In question number 2 we have to create clustered column chart using quick analysis tool, and the cells that we have to select for that chart is E4 to G9. So question number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. So in question number 3 we have to move chart object so that its top left corner must be in E12. Okay, so we have to move toward move our chart toward upper left corner must be in E12. Then size bottom chart, so it must be read to H13. Okay, so now we have to extend that toward H, and there we have to move downward to 30. Okay, so question number 3 is done. In question number 3 we have to move that chart that we have created in question number 2 to E12. Its top left corner must be in E12, and its bottom corner must be in H30, and we have follow and we have put that one. Okay, so question number 3 is done. You may see after solving question number 3 we get this result. Okay, so question number 3 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 4. So in question number 4 what we have to do, edit the chart title to display CGL gross margin in dollars on first line. Okay, so we have to in CGL gross margin dollar as a chart title on first line there. Then in next word on second line we have to type by department. First we have to in alt enter. Then we have to in next. Okay, so question number 4 is done. In question number 4 we have to edit the chart title to display CGL gross margin in dollars on first line. Then on second line we have to type by departments, and how we have to move towards second line, we just simply press alt enter at the same time. Okay, so we just move to a new line, and there we just write by department. So after solving question number 4 we get this title. Okay, we get this title. So question number 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5. So in question number 5 what we have to do, we have to apply chart style to that chart 14. We have to apply chart style 14. So click on that chart first, then we have to move toward chart design, and there we have to find where is chart 14. This one, I think so. Yes. So question number 5 is done. After solving question number 5 now we are moving toward question number 6. But before going to solve question number 6, show I'm just showing you that what are we doing in today video. We are solving SIMnet assignment. That name is Excel 2021 and practice chapter 3 independent project 3 to 4. First we solve question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are moving toward question number 6. Remember that we have how many questions we have in graded part? We have 16 questions in graded part, and we are on question number 5. Sorry, on question number 6. After solving question number 5, now we are moving toward question number 6. So in question number 6, what we have to do? We have to apply one PPT black text 1 second column outline to chart area. Now we have to apply, first we have to select chart, then there we have to apply outline to the chart area, that is one PPT black text 1. Okay, so we just move their format, then these shape outline, then that weight must be 1 PPT, and that is black text 1. Okay, so now you may see that is done. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, we have to apply one PT black text 1 outline to the chart area, and we have applied that one, and we get this result. Okay, after solving question number 6. So solving question number 6, now we are moving toward question number 7. So in question number 7, what we have to do? Display the primary manure horizontal axis grid line, like there, this one, then grid line, primary manure horizontal grid line, we have to display that. Then format the major value axis grid line with black text 1 outline color. Black text 1. Yes. Then do not change the color of manure grid lines. So question number 7 is done. In question number 7, what we have to do? We have to display primary manure horizontal grid lines, then format major value axis grid line with black text 1 outline color. We have done that one. First we show primary manure grid line, then we just give the color, outline color black text 1. Do not change the color of manure grid lines. The chart element drop down list identifies the grid lines as vertically value axis. They track value on vertical axis. So question number 7 is done. Same way we will solve question number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So in question number 8, what we have to do? In question number 8, we have to resize. We have to resize the data to remove design consulting data series from the chart. So we have to resize the data range to remove design consulting data series from the chart. Chart design, this one, then we just remove design consulting from there, then simply press OK. Yes. So question number 8 is done. So in question number 8, we have a resize data range to remove the design consulting data series from the chart, and we have done that. We have removed design consulting data series from the chart. So same way we will solve question number 9, 10 up to question number 16. Okay. So in graded part we have total 16 question. Out of 16 question we have done first 8 question. Remember that we are solving SIMnet project, that is MC Green Hill, and project name is Excel 2021, and practice chapter 3 independent project 3 to 4. In start we cover independent project 3 to 4, and we cover all these SLOs that we have done in today assignment. Then skill cover in this project, then we discuss these all skills that we will cover in today project. After that, then we move toward instruction file, and we have done question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First 8 question we have done in today video out of 16, mean almost 50% assignment is done from my side in today video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% result A grade. Remember that you may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. I am available, I will solve, and you will get 100% results. That's my guarantee, that's my promise. Because I'm in this field from last 10 years, so you can trust on me and you will get A grade 100% results. And it's the biggest opportunity for every client that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way, you will remain safe from the scammer, because there are many scammers in the market who took the payment from the client but they didn't solve their assignment. So from my side, that's the biggest opportunity, that first you get the result, then you pay me. Our payment will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. In today's video, we discussed Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 independent project 3 to 4. We have done almost 50 to 55% assignment in today's video. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that, you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.